Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, my friend. Our question is very good. 1 Olympic question 1, parenthesis squared over x. 1 over x is equal to 12. He wanted us to find x values. First of all, 1 divided by x, our bracket squared, 1 over x's cube. I'm throwing the number 12 right this way. I said minus 12 is equal to 0. When we think a little later, we need to try to break the number we call a little bit. 1x of parentheses squared, 1 over the cube of the parenthesis of x. Minus 4 minus 8 equals 0. I'm looking at what I can do next. 1 over x squared minus 2 squared. Pardon, minus the cube of the parenthesis square of minus 1 minus x. The cube of 2 is equal to 0. I can write this if you pay attention. It says cube here. It says square here. Square has arrived here too. It says cube here. Cube has arrived here too. So they are each other. I'm trying to compare degrees. Then what can I do right away? 1x squared. Minus... Well, before moving on to the square, of course, it should be noted that... Yes, a square. What was the expression we call b square? Let's see it right away. I can write this as a minus b times a plus b, a cube. How could we write the expression we call plus b cube? A plus b times a squared minus a times b. I can also express this in the form of plus b squared. If I apply them right then, I'm here. We have nothing to do with these brackets anymore. So 1 over x. If I open this as a full square 2 square difference, 1 saying x minus 2x 1x plus 2. Look here too, if you pay attention, minus. I'm thinking, how would it be if I got your bracket? So the cube of 1 to x in the minus parenthesis. Let's write it as plus 2's cube. What will come from here if we pay attention? Minus 1x plus 2x 1x squared. Minus 2 times 1 over x plus 4 came from 2 squares. Of course, again, what are these equal to 0? Now what can I do next if you pay attention? So the expression here and the expression here too, algebraic expression is also common. Then we just have them 1 over x plus 2. Let's try to get your bracket. 1 over x plus 2. Like this. What came from here? 1 over x minus 2. What will come from here? We have to go by distributing the lac. By the way, 1 over x squared. 1 plus 2 over x minus 4 is equal to 0. Or this should be 0. Or we know that this expression should be 0. Then 1 over x plus 2 is 0. From here, 1x is equal to minus 2. It will happen if we turn them upside down. The number we call x is minus 1, 2. Yes, we found the first. Now let's move to one other if I edit this place. 1 over x squared. I collected these. Plus 3 over x minus 6 is equal to 0. Multiply both sides of the equation by x squared. And from here to us. Take the expressions in the denominator. What comes from here when we hit 1? When we hit here, 3x. Minus 6x squared is equal to 0. Of course, this article is not good. Let's change it a little. 6x squared minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Of course, what did I do here? If you were to pay attention, I multiplied this expression with a minus. So now, what should I do with this equation? I need to separate the roots. I'm going to delta now. What did we call delta? B squared minus 4a was c. Right here, if we want to calculate the delta of minus 3, square plus... minus. 4x 6 times what will come out of nowhere? 920 from 415. It was smaller than 0. If we go to the roots from here, x 1.2, how do we find it? Minus b plus minus. We were expressing this with root delta divided by 2a. Then if I apply this, the expression we call x12 has escaped b. This friend is minus 3. Minus 3 plus minus in the root 5, so 2 times 1. What is the number we call a here 6? Then it was 2x6. What will come of the expression we call x12? 3 plus minus in the root is 1512. Now what do we know was equal to the expression we call 1 in the root? Then I say right here this friend x is equal to 1.2. 3 plus minus root divide 15e can express as 12. What will come of the expression we call x1 from here 3 plus root 15 divided by 12? What will come in the expression we call x2? 3 minus root 15 divided by 12. Of course I can simplify them a little more. What will happen if I simplify 3? I can't simplify it with 3. No, they will stay like this. I'm looking to see if there are any transaction errors right now. No, I guess yes. So now what can we do next? Look what happened to our roots. Let's write here. The value we call x1. The value we call x1. Minus 1, 2 has arrived. The value we call x2. We wrote here 3 plus minus. Let's enlarge 3. Minus root 15 divided by 12. When we say x3 on the ground, 3 plus root 15, I divided by 12 has arrived. For example, if we want to try 1, 2 right here, if we are in this equation, look, where is our equation in the first place? Let's try negative 1, 2 here. Yes, what will happen 1, 2? We'll get 2 squared. Minus 1. Minus 1, 2 cube. Is it equal to 12? Yes, I wrote the first one exactly. We were reversing and multiplying the second. What will happen from here minus 2 squared? Minus the cube of 2 is equal to 12. See what this will do if you pay attention. 4 minus. So what comes from here is equal to, yes, 12 is equal to 12. Was provided. Now if we try other roots, a little trouble. But I don't know if we should try. I think you can do these too. Please don't forget to like and follow. Of course I think we can simplify it a little more. So what else can we do? To the statements here. At most we can expand and divide, but I think nothing will come from here either. If you have a different method, please comment. Don't forget to write. I would be very happy if you subscribe to the channel and like it. See you, bye-bye.